Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So real quick, I just want to show you this recent drawer box for the 4Runner, 3rd generation that we just installed. So classic, similar box that I've done for all these 4Runners. Slide out, 3-foot long drawers, false tops, dividers, all that good stuff. In this video, I just kind of wanted to show you real quick how the bed extension goes in, because I've had having a couple people ask questions about how that works. So I'm just going to show you real quick how this works. Right here are the 2 bed pieces, the support piece and the bed platform. So first off, all you have to do is pull your seats down like this. The other one, it's a 3rd gen with some nice leather seats in it actually. Pop the back down, go across, pop this back down. There we go. Now that it's all flat, you can see that on the back of the drawer box, you can see this little cleat here. This is shown in the plans as well, the DIY plans that you can buy on my website. There'll be a description or a link in the description below for all that. So let me show you real quick how this bed extension piece goes in. Super simple. You take this, place it here, and you kick out the other support piece. Make sure it's nice and even, so you can see it comes just the end here. This kicks right under there, and then it goes just to the end over there. And there's still enough room here to make sure it's fit nice and tight. So actually make this piece a little bit taller, so when you first put the platform on, you'll see it at a little bit of an angle, but when you start to put your body weight on it, it'll drop it a little bit. You can see this seat actually goes down a bit when you put some weight on it. So let me put the bed platform in. Alright, the platform, I usually rest it on here. Make sure that the seat belts are out of the way. And it fits right in there. There you go. So as you can see, the dimensions I have in my plans call for it to come all the way up to here, to the sides of the doors, and keeps it tight between the drawer box and the back of the seats here. And then from here, as you can see, massive sleeping area. I was going to show you real quick my tape measure. You get 5 foot 7 inches, so that's a pretty large area for somebody to sleep in, or obviously 2 people. I make the boxes so they come out just about as flush with the wheel well, so when you put a mattress on it, it comes really close, so you won't really notice those bumps. You can't really do much about that bump there. That's where the gas cap is and the gas fuel line goes in. So same thing on this side, as you can see, nice and tight against here, nice and sturdy on it right now. Holds more than enough weight. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that little video real quick, just so you understand how the bed extension works and how it goes in. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If not, click the link in my bio in the description below to check out the DIY plans on my website. See you next time.